Offshore refrigeration, challenges and solutions for oil platforms. Refrigeration in offshore environments, such as oil platforms, is essential to ensure the comfort of workers and the preservation of equipment crucial to operations. However, the harsh conditions at sea, such as high temperatures, salinity, and confined spaces, pose specific challenges for refrigeration systems. To overcome these obstacles, it is necessary to adopt robust technologies and innovative solutions that guarantee the efficiency and durability of equipment. 1. Extreme environmental conditions. Oil platforms are exposed to extreme temperatures, high humidity, and strong winds. These conditions increase the demand for refrigeration systems capable of maintaining comfortable and stable environments, both for living areas and control rooms. In addition, the salinity of the air at sea can quickly corrode equipment components, reducing their useful life and requiring constant maintenance. Refrigeration systems with corrosion-resistant materials are essential to meet these challenges. 2. Limited space and energy efficiency. Another challenge is the limited space on offshore platforms, which requires refrigeration systems to be compact yet powerful. Solutions must be designed to maximize efficiency in small spaces, ensuring that the optimum temperature is maintained without compromising energy consumption. Energy-efficient refrigeration systems are critical not only to reduce operating costs, but also to minimize the need for refueling, something that can be expensive and complex at sea. 3. Maintenance and reliability. Maintenance on oil platforms is complex and often costly, requiring specialized teams and often transport by helicopter or vessel. Therefore, offshore refrigeration systems must be highly reliable and designed to operate for long periods without failure. The adoption of remote monitoring technologies, which allow problems to be identified before they become critical, has been an effective solution to reduce downtime and maintenance costs. Offshore oil platform refrigeration faces unique challenges that require specialized solutions. Corrosion, extreme temperatures, and space constraints are just some of the obstacles that systems must overcome to ensure safe and efficient operations. Robust, energy-efficient, and easy-to-maintain technologies are essential to the success of these systems in such demanding environments.